This is a truly unique opportunity to do something profound and impactful about the urgent issue of climate change. The New York Climate Exchange is bringing together a unique mix of people.
The Climate Tech Fellowship is the Exchange's first tech incubation program, and it's really aimed squarely at addressing the gap that early stage innovators, especially those from university labs, face as they start their commercialization journey.
This is most likely our first time going through a startup. It's important to speak to other innovators to understand how they're funding their startup as well, and bounce ideas off of one another.
You're all early in what you do, and what we're asked you to do is a little unfair, right? We don't go to a business student and say, go design a nuclear power plant. But we ask the people who know how to design nuclear power plants to turn around and run a business.
So when it comes to the role of climate tech in accelerating climate solutions, we really aspire to be a value-add partner for ventures from inception to growth so that solutions can reach scale and really have the best possible chance at addressing the climate crisis in a real way.
Here at the Exchange on Governor's Island, we have a sandbox to test out urban resilient technologies. And I say this as an entrepreneur. You will find mentors, supporters, programming that will help you figure out how to go in that journey from an idea to a technology, to a product, to a company. You don't have to do it alone.